What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Radiohead, and this one is titled Jigsaw Falling Into Place, requested by Baroma on Streamlabs. Big shout out to you. Haven't heard this one before. That being said, let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, yeah, I'm already liking this one way better than that last one I did.
Just as you take my hand, just as you write my number down, just as the drinks arrive, just as they play your favorite song, as your bladder disappears. No one will wind up like a spring before you had too much. Come back and focus again. The walls have been in shape. They got a Cheshire cat grin, all blurring into one. This place is on a mission before the night out, before the animal noises closer get cameras, before you come at all. Between the notes, the beat goes round and round. The beat goes round and round, and really got down. I just pretended that I was a blood instrument, as I set up shotguns. Come on and let it out. Come on and let it out. Come on, let it out. Come on and let it out.
Okay. Yeah, I enjoyed that one. That was pretty good. Still, I think I prefer like they're more just laid back tracks personally. But yeah, that was still pretty cool. I definitely enjoyed that one. I'm not sure like I keep forgetting. I need lyrics pulled up when I listen to them as well. I'm not sure if they're like the type of group that really, expresses meaningful things in their music or not, but I mean, I don't know, I couldn't hurt. But yeah, that was cool. But yeah, like I was saying, that was a pretty cool track. I enjoyed it. Definitely way more than that previous one I did. But like I said, I feel like I definitely enjoy their like more slower paced, atmospheric tracks more than like these kind of more rock leaning tracks. But yeah, that being said, I enjoyed it. Would I listen to it again? Maybe, probably not. Maybe it's 50-50 to be honest. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty cool track. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.